Welcome to a new video and episode on my ESP32 Internet of Things device, not yet Internet of Things settings, but attached to various devices: LED, buzzer, 7-segment display, servomotor, LCD keypad, and an LDR hidden behind this flat cable. Last time I made progress where it comes to the motor and where it comes to the 7-segment display. The motor was malfunctioning due to a necessary reseat of the ESP. So I have to press it into the board. 7-segment display has now been optimized in Coda so that the code is smaller and I can express now all digits that I want. Currently programmed for 3 digits. Not yet working is the keypad. That turns out to be a story on its own. Wiring rather fragile, but another thing is also that it is volatile memory instead of, unfortunately, non-volatile. Removing the power means losing the program. So what I'm now going to do is setting things in the Arduino IDE, which I use for programming it. Hence I use AVRC. And then see how everything works. One thing that already popped up is that without a program, with power applied, you can see that the display is working and here an LED, that the buzzer at times has an irritating sound. And that also occurs on various moments during the algorithm. So let's go and see how things actually work out. Alright, so ready to go, and by now I have also attached the probes for the oscilloscope. Showing nothing yet. Let's see if it is really. No, it's not set to pulse width. Now it is. The only thing that has pulse width is this motor. Let me be careful with this wire. It should not interfere with the blade of the motor. So how will it work out? Let's go here. Everything is now set. ESP32 development module. Upload speed is level 5 to 100 and USB 2, which is this one for at the side then of the laptop. Ready to upload, and let me enlarge this space so I can see whatever happens. Waiting a bit for it to happen. Now it's writing, and as soon as that has happened, let me open the servo monitor. Really? Where does it happen? This is, yeah, literally unexpected. Let's do it again, because last time there was no error at all, except for programming error, but that's something different. It may be that I have to reseat, If so, then after, when it goes wrong, I will reseat. Now it is good. Yes. So why does it go wrong in the first place? I have no idea. The LCD display is nicely working, although the text quality could be better. And oh, then it is nice if you see this. See, the 3 is running. The motor should have run. So, time to actually do reseat the ESP carefully. There was no reseat necessary, but oh, this is better. And the pulse wave is not what it should be. Well, no, I'm putting that wrong. The voltage right here is good. The pulse width modulation is good, although the motor again doesn't run. Buzzer does work. But not as it should. And I'm waiting for the LED. No, the buzzer should not go now. It should be silent. So I need to figure out how to solve that one. And another thing is that I haven't seen the 7-segment display change value. Oh, it does. It does. Alright. So that's a relief on one hand, but there are things that are not very good yet. So what I want to do first is add some numbers through the in between the other things. And now that I have a separate procedure, here, segment display, I can easily do that. So here I have, no, not here. Here I have segment display 1 through 4, and let's just say LED, and then segment display, let's say 5, which is top, B is 0, going down is 1, bottom is 1, left under is 0, left up is 1, middle is 1. This should give 5. I can also do delay of half a second. and then let's do 6 as well. 6 is top, which is A. B is 0. C is 1. Bottom is D is 1. Left under is F is 1. E is 1. And this is 1 as well. This should give 6. So, oh, and this doesn't need a delay. It just goes with LED straight away. So, let's upload and view it. So that will be after LED 4. It has uploaded. First LED, LCD. Almost finished. Three, and then motor. Wait. Yeah, 5 and 6 doesn't do. It stays with 5. One, two, three. 5. I don't see 6. Then I have probably made a coding mistake, because I don't. Oh wait, that is 1, 2, 3. I need 4 still to happen. So let me put 4 right here, and 4 means upper is 0. Top right is 0. Under right is 1. Bottom is 0. Left under is 0. Left top is 1. And middle is 1. So I have only, I should have 4 that are 1. Oh wait, this one should be 1 as well. This is 4. Because that is top 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 4. 5 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And that's correct. Let's upload, see whatever happens. Should be alright then. And then find out why the buzzer is malfunctioning, and maybe why the motor doesn't do anything again. Now soon should be 4. Yep, 4, 5. And 6 doesn't do. Oh wait, probably because I need a delay here. This segment is going way too long, but so be it for now. I want to see. Yeah, it's too bad you can't, you can hardly see the LCD going to work, but it really does work. Not very clear, neither to me, but right, motor going, then 4, 5 and 6. Now, 6 is still not going. That's odd. Oh, it could be that the wiring is off. Could be. Alright. Further. Buzzer check. Right. The reason that 6 is not working is because of a wiring issue. I am unable to connect this wire again in its slot, so I have to figure out how to fix another wire, because 2 is missing here, as you can see, and 6 should not use this one but this one. So yeah, that 5 is not working, 6 is not working, and 2 is also malfunctioning. Now the buzzer is something that I want to automate as well, because I come to realize that when the buzzer is off, you simply won't notice it. So I intend to do an let's say an SOS, which is 3 times long, 3 times short, 3 times long, and that means 9 digital writes. So let me first do it like this. Long is originally say 3 seconds, so that would be 3. I find that a bit long, so I cut it down to this one, but it has to be low, otherwise you don't hear long, long, long. So let's make this to 5. This will be 1000, and then this, and then you see how well, kind of complicated things can get, because now I have only 2 signals, 2 highs, and that is now 3. How short should the signal be? Okay, let's change this to 2 then. Hopefully that will work. 3 times 2. And if that works out, I can write something besides it as a procedure. So let's go here. And it goes right in the end of the whole procedure, so when the buzzer starts it should be there, but I should also see buzzer start and buzzer end. So let's focus a bit on that one. And now you actually can see the LCD, so it is, and I didn't change the wiring. So for some reason the program doesn't really fit it. Yeah. Do I hear anything? No. That means that digital write is not doing things on command. It does work, but not on command. Why is that? Looking at the port where it is wired to, is it really 0? Let me check. Yes, it is 204 and it is wired to 2, but yeah, the wiring. Oh, see the motor move. Oh, that's an oddity. Look at the display. It changes brightness by touching this wire. And I also hear the buzzer by touching this wire. That means that I should change the wire. Okay, I have a wiring problem with the 7-segment display and I have a wiring problem with the buzzer. Where else do I have a wiring problem? Not quite sure. Alright, it did do the buzzer stuff. I heard some 2 seconds buzzer, quiet, buzzer, quiet, buzzer. That's 3 times. But the wiring is not to be trusted. 2 wires to be changed. Okay. Unfortunately, rewiring didn't solve the problem on both the display and the buzzer, which is quite weird. But when I hold the wire, it works. When I release the wire or let the wire go, it stopped working correctly. So something is off and I don't know where. Anyway, it is time to get things working with the buzzer. So I am copying all this, at least that is the idea, and then this is 3 times high and this is the short stuff. And one more copying and this is the high stuff again. So it should be pretty straightforward. How much do I have to do? Well, it's so many times calling just one function, so putting this into one single in one single function to be called, I'm not quite sure. It's different than this one, because this one is addressing quite a few separate wires, well this one isn't. So let me just see if this one solves an SOS. And I still hear the buzzer going, so I am not quite sure if that is going to work out. Waiting for download. That doesn't promise much. Okay, again. Waiting for download again. Why is this happening now? Or ever? New attempt. And in this case you see that serial terminal is absolutely a necessity, otherwise you really have no idea what's going on. And now it works. And I didn't do anything but upload. And the background of the LCD is kind of fuzzy again. A motor that kind of does work. Okay, I should check on this with the oscilloscope actually. And I can do that because this is leading to nowhere. So let me put the probe carefully, very carefully indeed, right there. It's on the buzzer, but what does it do? Buzzer. I don't see anything at all actually. Look at the signal. It doesn't become high or low. That's not good. It should be either high or low, and this is not what I expect. So this has to be certainly investigated next time. Yes, buzzer and wires. Not to forget motor and keypad. Keeps them busy. Alright, so with two things that work out and others that don't work out, I'm afraid that's the end of this episode. Rewiring, 5 working, 6 doesn't, 2 doesn't quite well either. Buzzer that keeps buzzing while it shouldn't, motor that doesn't run when it should. Okay. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. And you can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please donate to keep videos coming your way, to keep my YouTube going and my blog. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. It will be mentioned on my website, but depending on the pledge, also with your videos. This is obviously going to be continued. Have a nice day.